question po, sino yung entitled to siya? Special hardship allowance. So, Teacher Divine po sa rural area, nasa say bundok, basta hindi siya sa urban area, wala siya sa city. Si Teacher Ellen naman in a depressed community. Kapag sinabi mo pong depressed, ito yung mga slums, mahirap, poor communities. Teacher Fina naman in a hostile area. That means may kaguluhan o may gera sa area ni Teacher Fina. Abundant daw rin resources, but it does not take the fact na hostile yung area. No? May gera, may kaguluhan sa area ni Teacher Fina. And of course, si Teacher Ginger naman, in a place where standard of living is high. Kunwari, nasa Singapore naman si Teacher Ginger or nasa Manila, now since we are talking about the special hardship allowance for our public school teachers. Okay? And so, sino kaya yung entitled sa kanila? Ang tumpak na choice po here would be letter C. That's Teacher Fina because nasa gera si Teacher Fina. Okay? So, hostile area, may kaguluhan, her life is in danger, no? So that makes her entitled to your special hardship allowance. Okay, so here, this refers to an additional compensation generally paid to teachers who are exposed to hazards and difficulties because of the nature and or location of their work.